Hi everyone, my name's Amna. Welcome to Mississauga Library's YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a really fun game and it's called Math Towers. Now when I was growing up, I never really enjoyed math, but I came up with this fun game that I think will work really well for you guys who are learning addition and subtraction problems. I'm going to show you how to set up the game, the things that you will need, and also all the steps, and we'll do a little demonstration at the end. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about all the things that we'll need in order to get started for playing the game Math Towers. First, you'll need something to build a tower with. So you need blocks. You'll also need 2 dice. You will need these little yellow round stickers, or you can choose other colors, whatever works best for you. You'll be able to find these at the dollar store, and then you'll need a marker with which to write your equations. Now we're going to talk about how we have to set up the game. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your stickers and your marker and make some addition and subtraction equations so that you can find ways to add up to or subtract to the numbers that you roll with 2 dice. So the largest number that you can roll with 2 dice is a 12. The smallest number that you can roll with 2 dice is a 2. What you'll need to do is make sure that you have enough stickers for the number of blocks that you have. I have 48 blocks here, so I have 48 stickers. What you want to try to do is repeat numbers or try different combinations to get to the same numbers. For example, you could have a 2 plus 3, or you could have a 9 minus 4, and both of those will equal 5. So you'll have a couple of different options to choose from when you have your result of the number 5. And now let's talk about how to play the game. So what you have to do first is you can play this game with up to 4 or more players. What you're going to do is the first person will roll the 2 dice. The number that you get on that dice is the number that you have to try and find to match on the tower. So you want to find a block that has a sticker which matches the number of dots that are on the dice. Even if you roll a 2, say you roll a 1 and a 1, you don't necessarily have to find a 1 plus 1 to equal 2. You could find a 3 minus 1, or you could find a 9 minus 7, anything that equals the number 2, so that you can continue to build the tower taller. What you want to do then is once you've found the block that you want to remove, you carefully take it out, and you don't want to drop it, and then you put it on the top. Now you can see over here you have 3 blocks going one way and 3 blocks going the other way. So what you want to do is make sure that you follow that pattern. 3 blocks will go one way, and then the other 3 blocks will go the other way. And then you're going to keep on building until you get a really tall tower, or the person who pulls something incorrectly and then topples the tower. That person will be the one who loses the game. You can also try this with multiplication and division if that is what you're working on in school. All right, now we're going to do our demonstration. So what we're going to do is we'll take our 2 dice and we're going to roll. And let's see what kind of number we get. So rolling. Okay, so I've gotten a 1 and a 2, which equals a number 3. So you don't necessarily have to find 1 plus 2, which equals 3. We're going to find something else that also adds up to 3. Or subtracts to equal 3. So I'm going to try this pink one right here. Okay. And you're going to put it on the top. Now remember, you want to have the blocks going one direction and the other blocks going the other direction. Okay? So let's roll again and see what happens for the next player. Okay, this time we got a 6 and a 5, which equals 11. So I see a number 11 right here, and a 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10 also equals 11. So I'm going to put that one right there. Okay, let's try for the third player. So we're going to roll our dice. Oh, and we rolled a 6 and a 4, which equals 10. So now help me find something that equals a number 10. Do you see anything, friends? Maybe it's on this side. Oh, here it is, a 4 and a 6. Just like the ones that we rolled. So we're going to take it out very slowly. Very slowly. I'm going to push it from this side so you guys can see that. There we go. Really slowly. See? That was perfect. Okay, so that is the conclusion of our Math Towers game. And you can see that you can just keep building it taller, or it might just collapse depending on how it goes. And it leads to so much fun with you and your family members or friends if you want to try this in the classroom. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Amna, and I hope you will join us again on our YouTube channel for other fun videos. Please check our library website, which is mississaugalibrary.ca, for more fun programs and activities that you can do right now. If you want to place any books on hold, just search up math activities in our catalog and pick them up at any of our 18 branches. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!